Okay, kung wala mo kayo follow, buntis ko! We posted a short, I think 1 week ago na, and it announced that I have a baby sa akong belly. My belly's so big. So, this is akong second na baby. Akong first kay 1.5-year-old siya. So, baby number 2. Okay, first trimester experience. Pinaka-first, how I found out. So, it was July 4th, Sunday morning. Bago pa ko ng mata, nagtanong ko sa akong phone. It's like, July 4th. Wala pa ko kaget sa akong period. So, nagtala ko sa akong bana. Na siya, sige, Alayna, take a pregnancy test. So, nag-get ko sa pregnancy test, nag-get ko sa CR, nag-take ko sa test, and then, nag-wait around until nakadungo ko sa timer. Napagtanaw ko like, hala, babe, butis ko. And paggawas na siya, no, joker ka, you're just joking. Nako, no, tinood yun, buntis ko. Nag-show ko niya sa test, as in, klaro kayo na 2 lines, it's very dark. Like, nagtanaw me to each other, it's like, babe, I'm buntis. Like, hala, we're gonna have a baby. Grabe siya ka-excited and grabe ka-shock, as in grabe ka-shock all day. Like, sige mig-ingon to each other, buntis ko. Diba siya, oh yeah, buntis ka. Like, that's so crazy. Okay, so akong mga symptoms. Let's start off by saying, akong first trimester this time, it was very, very hard. I was so sick all the time. Nag-hit ko 11 weeks and wadyo ko kahunong og pagsuka. And nag-lose ko og mga, I think, 8 pounds. Akong doctor nag-ingon. I still haven't gained it back guys. The sickness is still hanging on. Pero, I will gain it back soon, I know. Ako naong naniwang gamay ba? Nice man. Dili ki chubby-chubby. Nag-abot og mga 12 weeks. Nag-adto mi sa Tennessee. Remember, nag-film kong video about among Filipino food store haul? That video, buntis ko, ana. The last 2 days have been a nightmare. I'm so sick and at the point that I just want to throw up so that I feel better. Unta mag-out to eat me with iyang family and as hindi jud ko ka-move. And at that point, nag-ingon jud ko, like, kinahanglan jud ko mag-ngayo og medicine. So, nag-call ko sa doctor at 12 weeks ko and nag-give sila na ko medicine pero dili kay strong. So, naka-feel gyapon ko like sickness. So, pag-abot og I think 14 weeks, nangayo jud ko like prescription gyud na medicine and kana na medicine as in. It was a lifesaver. Like, for now, I feel really good. Anyways, so the other thing that nag-experience ko is emotional. Grabe. The emotions is just insane. And with akong son, wala gyud. I mean, not till the 3rd trimester that naghilak ko sometimes, but with this one, like first trimester, wow. Looy kaya kumana kasi sige ko hilak. And over like stupid na mga butang. It's just not even like true na, oh, this deserves a hilak. Like, no. It's so embarrassing. So, after hearing the symptoms, what do you think it is? Boy or girl? Leave in the comments below. Another part of this, because it's akong second pregnancy, ahon diyan as in dako kaayo. This is my belly at 8 weeks and 1 day. It is so much bigger this time. As in, when I found out na buntis ko mga 2 weeks later, wow, akong belly nag-grow jud. As in, klaro kaayo na buntis ko. So, lisod kaayo mag-keep a secret pa. Oh my goodness, it was so hard. Oh, my belly was so big and it's still so big. Okay, so at week 13, I was diagnosed with gestational diabetes. This one is very, very hard for me still, even though 16 weeks ago, so there's like a 3-week gap since I found out. But I already have kind of pre-existing condition. where it makes it difficult na mag-carry sa akong mga bata to full term. And so with gestational diabetes and the diagnosis of that, like, hadlo kayo ko. Pag-diagnose sila anan ako, like, I don't know if kayo balo mo about like pregnancy and stuff, ana, but there's a 1-hour test and there's a 3-hour test. And if you fail the 1-hour, they'll send you to the 3-hour. Pero when I failed the 1-hour, it was so bad na nag-diagnose sila nako on the spot. So they called me, said, you have gestational diabetes. I'm going to send you to a high-risk clinic and mag-check out sila nimo din ha. They'll check out the baby. They will tell you everything that you need to do. So nag-schedule ko sa appointment, and since then, I've had appointments weekly since nag-find out ko about akong gestational diabetes. And last week, 3 appointments. 3rd doctor's appointment for this week. Let's get it. Kapoy na kay ko. Oh my goodness, grabe yun. They changed the way nagkaon ko. I have to eat every 2 hours. Magkaon na sad ko another snack. Which, I mean, maybe mag-gain ko weight. I don't know, wala pa ko ka-gain weight. And it's already been 3 weeks of me nagbuhat nga na. So, I don't know. I'm still in the negative of weight I lost because of how sick I was. But yeah, so gestational diabetes and a lot of testing, of course, and daghan kig ultrasound, which lingaw kayo makakita sa baby, like, oh wow, grabe lingaw gyud, mag-enjoy jud ko tan-aw sa baby. Pero medyo hadlok gamay kay they're measuring everything. See, daghan kay mga ultrasounds. Kung last ultrasound kay 1 hour kapin, nagtanaw lang sila sa baby, nag-measure sila, nag-make sure sila like the leg bone is measuring properly and then the arm bone is measuring properly. So like, lingaw to see the baby but also hadlok kamay. So akong pregnancy this time is going to be a little bit different. With akong son, wala ko gestational diabetes. So this is all first for me. So, it's been a little kanang lisod, but makaya gyud. Yeah, so high-risk clinic and OB, at least once a month ko mag-visit nila, but it's been every week since nag-diagnose sila na ako. So, we'll see if ever ko maka-visit lang nila once a month. Moving on. Okay, how I told my family. So, nagpalit ko og t-shirt para akong bata. And it says, did we just become best friends? And then, nagpalit ko like gamay na onesie that says, yep. Like, as soon as I found out, nagpalit ko sa mga onesie para makatel ko nila. Kay the next week, they would be in town to visit me with akong auntie. So, yeah, all day. So, akong bana na siya sa work and nag-ingon siya, Alayna, ayaw tell nila without me. Yung ko, oh, that means all day, di siya ko makatel nila. And I was like, oh, I don't know if di na makaya na ako. Like, what if I tell them? And so, nag-ingon siya, sige, Alayna, promise ha? Nag-ingon, okay, promise. So, pag uli niya, I put the shirt on and I put the onesie sa akong pocket. And then we brought Jackson out to show them.
Show them your shirt.
Yeah.
What does it say? Aww, that's cute.
And I got this little onesie.
What does it say?
Because you are pregnant, aren't you?
Oh my god! Oh my word! I called it! I called it!
Oh my word!
That's awesome!
So, naglingkod ko today and I'm editing and I realized wala ko nang mention. But we told Christopher's parents over FaceTime because they live layo kayo. So, we don't really get to see them and we wanted to tell them right away kay excited man kayo. So, we told them over FaceTime. And then, akong mga igsuon that night, we did the same thing. Pero, nagtulog na akong bata kay late kay sila nag-abot sa akong balay. So, nagtulog akong bata. I brought out the shirt and nag-show ko nila. Na-shock noon sila, pregnant again! Nag-i-buntis ko again! Sorry, wala may video ana kay my husband accidentally deleted it from his phone. I hope nag-enjoy mo aning video and seeing a little bit about akong first trimester of pregnancy with baby number 2. Salamat sa pagtanaw, kita ta sa sunod. Bye! Pogi!